Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Adam here, and today we're doing an unboxing. And you can already tell by the title and the thumbnail of what it is, so let's just get right into it. First thing we got here is, I'll put up on the screen right here of what all I ordered. It did take a little bit longer than I expected. I don't know if it was because of everything going on right now or because of their shipping from NFG, but you know, I finally got it. I'm really excited to open this up. All right, so the first shirt I have here is the Second Amendment shirt. This is a size large, by the way. I'm really excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, but wow, this really feels, what is this? Okay, so if you don't see this, you can tell that there's a little tag in right here stuck to the thing. I'm gonna have to cut that off. No worries, that's easily fixable. However, this shirt though, really soft. Really soft. Like, I can't even stress that enough. Like, I can't wait to put it on. Second Amendment shirt, NFG. So that's the first thing. Also, I do have something that is not mine, but I got it for someone for Christmas. This is the shirt I was telling you about. It's in the XL. Also, I got the little sticker, the everyday carry. Got that in focus. Pretty sick sticker. This is the NFG Logo Hoodie. I like red, so I had to get, well, it's maroon. You can kind of tell by the flannel I'm wearing. But this thing, oh, check it out. This is how they fold it with the hood in the middle. That's pretty cool. I think I might actually put this on, show you guys. Even though it's really warm in here, especially with this light blaring on me. Wow. This is really nice. Again, really soft. I don't know what kind of, I mean, obviously it's cotton material. This is actually looks a little big. I ordered a large. Yeah, it's definitely large. Anyway, let's try this stuff on. First things first, I'm gonna try it on the shirt and show you what that looks like. Do a little magic trick right here. So what I'm gonna do is do like I did in my last, well, GoPro unboxing with the sweater, but I go like this, and so this is a large. So definitely fits really well. I like it. I like how it just feels really thin. Well, it doesn't feel thin, but it feels soft. Like, it's breathable, I guess. Like, if I wanted to work out in this, I could. If you go on the NFG website, they have t-shirts, they have outerwear, they have headwear, they have hats. I didn't get a hat. And then he has a category literally called Shit You Need, and he also has collections. So like, there's like a golden gun collection and stuff like that. But yeah, the only issue that I had ordering this stuff wasn't the, like, his site's great and it accepts payments and whatever like that. It didn't have any glitches there, but the shipping, I don't know if it was because of everything going on right now or it was because of his shipping, but man, I ordered this on November 7th and I just got it on December 11th. Like, it took like a month, and I've been anticipating it every day, and I've been checking up on it, and I checked the tracking number. It said it would be here December 8th, and then it didn't. So I don't know what's going on, but the USPS and like all that stuff, but I'm just glad it's here finally, and I can give my honest review. Now that I have this one, let me show you the back. So this fits really well. I'm gonna put on this sweatshirt. Not for long though, because it's getting hot in here. But I can tell this is a warm sweater. Is it sweatshirt or sweater? Because sweatshirt is like a shirt with no hood. So I'm just gonna call it a hoodie, because that's what it is, a hoodie. Yeah, I think I just may need to wash it one time. Just make it fit like a little bit snugger. put this hat on because I like mixing light with darks. So this is the NFG hoodie. This is what it looks like. I like it. NFG stands for no fucks given. If you watch anything related to the Guggen Squad and you like LunkersTV, you've probably seen this brand before. If you haven't, NFG stands for no fucks given. I really like that motto. And if you look on the sticker, it looks, honestly, it doesn't look cheaply made. It kind of looks laminated on top, or you know, it's just gotta, like, you know, it's not gonna peel off. I don't know. I like stickers. It's pretty cool. Probably gonna put it on my Yeti cooler or something. It fits on your phone if you want to add it on your phone. This is Google Pixel. Since I already opened up the one shirt and showed you how soft it is, I can tell this is literally made of the same material. I'm just gonna put it up on the screen right here of what shirt this is. This is the red line, thin red line shirt. Yeah, my cousin's trying to be a firefighter, so I got this for him for Christmas. So I'm gonna have my cousin open this up and put it on and see what he thinks of the material and see what he thinks of the shirt. I'll probably have him open it and then put a little clip in here right here. Now, in the long run, I'm gonna see how it holds up. Like, if it rips, if it tears, if the logo falls off. Let me know if you guys already have some of the NFG collection stuff or anything from NFG. Let me know in the comments down below. I mean, I'm not gonna say I wasn't mad of how long it was taking, because I really was. But it finally came. I'm glad it came before Christmas, so I can definitely give this to my cousin for his Christmas present. Yeah, so if you like today's video, guys, I'll leave a link to NFG's website down in the description below. You can go cop some of this stuff. It's pretty cool stuff. It feels like nice material. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't, you know, you get what you pay for. You might have to wait a little bit. I mean, unless you live in Texas or somewhere close to their facility, you might get a little faster. I don't, so it took a little longer, but it was worth it. But if you like today's video, guys, leave a like and a comment, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. It's getting cold down here where I'm at, and not too much fish biting, but gotta stick with it and make a video for you guys. But until the next one, guys, I'll catch you. Alright, so did I press record? Let me go ahead and look at myself in the mirror, flex on them. Actually, I could actually put it on the back of my phone here. One day, pretty cool. Supporting a YouTuber that I watch. You know, one day I might want to make a brand and do the same thing. So I hope you guys would support me on doing that.